Hello there and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. We're taking a close-up look at the Happily Ever After stamp and die set in this video. Here is the die set as it comes. You can see that this has one large image of a happily ever after couple, and we have three different sentiments. Now you can see there are a lot of dies in this set with only three sentiments, but only one of them cuts out the entire sentiment. The other dies are going to cut apart each of the sentiments. So we can cut apart every word in happily ever after and every word in congratulations to the new Mr. and Mrs. And those can be then configured in any way you like on your card, or you can just use part of the saying. So it's a pretty cool stamp set. I think you're going to love it. Here are the images all stamped out. Such a gorgeous sketched image. There are dies to cut out all the things like I showed you, and now let's take a look at how these dies are going to cut out the sentiments individually. So I'm just going to tape that in place and die cut out as much as I can in one pass through the die machine. So this sentiment at the bottom for the happy couple is the one that cuts out the entire sentiment. This is a long and very skinny sentiment. Then we have the word congratulations that we can die cut out. So you could use this all by itself or with the rest of the sentiment. And of course you could stamp these sentiments directly on your paper and not die cut them out at all. But if you want to reconfigure them in different ways or get different looks with them, you have the option with these dies. Now you can't die cut out all three words at the same time because the middle die will overlap the other dies. But I went ahead and die cut, like I said, all that I could in one pass, and then I'll just go back and get the one in the middle, the ever, and then the to the new. I will come back and die cut those separately. So what a cool stamp set that you have the option to do it these different ways because of the die set. There you can see what everything looks like as it is die cut out. And you can see there, just reconfiguring the layout of these dies is game changer. I really love this option. And you could pair it with other dies that you have. You could die cut out the word Mr. and Mrs. with that Mr. and Mrs. die cut also from the same release. And here's the finished card I made with those black and white stamped images on a beautiful background. This set is easy to use and a fun one to have on hand for wedding cards. Here's some more cards made with this set by my fellow design team members, and you can see what a beautiful and elegant stamp set this truly is. I love that we can fit it on many different size cards from A2 to slimline to 5x7, just as the card I made was done on a 5x7. So I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you found some inspiration here for this brand new stamp set. And if you would like more inspiration, you can find Trinity Stamps on Instagram and Facebook too. I'll see you on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye!